Weather Service in Mobile has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Monroe County in south-central Alabama, northwestern Baldwin County in southwestern Alabama, southeastern Washington County in southwestern Alabama, southeastern Clark County in southwestern Alabama, northwestern Escambia County in south-central Alabama, southern Wilcox County in south-central Alabama, central Conecuh County in south-central Alabama, until 11:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 10:36 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 6 miles south of Yellow Bluff to 11 miles southeast of Whatley to 3 miles west of Calvert, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Monroeville, Frisco City, McCullough, Peterman, Uri, Calvert, Excel, Beatrice, Friedenberg, Repton, Pineapple, Interstate 65 and Highway 84, Interstate 65 and Alabama Highway 113, Interstate 65 and Alabama Highway 21 and Porch Creek Reservation. A tornado watch remains in effect until 4 a.m. Central Daylight Time for south-central and southwestern Alabama. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 4 a.m. Central Daylight Time for south-central and southwestern Alabama. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 11:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Alabama: Baldwin, Clark, Conecuh, Escambia, Monroe, Washington, and Wilcox. The following weather